y'all. Today we're going to be going over this GuruNanda oil pulling. I've been doing this for about 9 months now, and I've noticed a huge difference. I used to oil pull with just the straight up coconut oil, like right out of the jar, and it always was so gross because you're like getting it out and you're like having to like chew it with your teeth and then melt it down. What I like about this is this is already melted down. You go ahead and you take it straight out of the bottle right here. That pops open. You can pour it right into your mouth, or you can do it in a little pour cup if you happen to be sharing this with someone else. And you swish it around for about 5 to 10 minutes. What I do is when I'm blow drying my hair or I'm like curling my hair or something, I put this in, and this is just part of my daily routine in the morning. And then in the evening when I'm doing my skincare routine, I just put this in. This has made such a huge difference, and I notice how like clean my teeth are. And then also it has natural whitening in it too, so I've noticed a lot more whitening in my teeth too. So I would highly recommend. This is probably like my 4th or 5th bottle now. It is something I am never going to go without.